how to identify and avoid financial scams targeting divorced individuals. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. After divorce, you're adjusting to a lot of changes, emotionally, legally, and financially. Unfortunately, that transition period is exactly when scammers like to strike. Divorced individuals can be especially vulnerable to financial scams, and the last thing you need is a costly mistake. Let's talk about how to identify and avoid common scams that target people after divorce. First, be cautious of debt relief offers or credit repair services that promise quick fixes for a fee. Many of these companies target people who've recently separated and are dealing with new financial pressures. Always research any company thoroughly. And remember, you can check your credit and dispute errors for free without paying someone to do it. Next, watch out for fake investment opportunities or pushy financial advisors claiming to help you rebuild your finances fast. Scammers often pretend to offer guidance, especially if you've received a settlement or large lump sum. If someone asks for upfront fees, guaranteed returns, or doesn't clearly explain what they're offering, walk away. Also, protect your personal information. After divorce, you may be updating bank accounts, utilities, insurance, and more. Scammers may try to pose as legitimate companies and ask for your social security number, passwords, or bank details over the phone or email. Always contact companies directly. Never give out sensitive info from an unsolicited call, message, or link. We worked with a client who was contacted by someone claiming to be from her credit card company, asking her to verify account details. Luckily, she reached out to us first. It turned out to be a phishing scam. We helped her lock down her accounts and avoid any financial damage. At Divorce661, we help clients protect themselves during and after the divorce process, including recognizing red flags and keeping your finances safe. We'll help you create a secure financial structure and provide guidance on who to trust. If you've recently divorced and want help protecting your finances from scams, visit Divorce661.com and schedule a free consultation. We'll help you stay informed, secure your accounts, and move forward with confidence without falling into common traps.